takedown is nice and easy. It's just hanging it up in reverse. So you'll pull all the stakes out of the ground. If it's raining, I will start with the hammock. If it's not, I'll start with the tarp just to get it out of the way. But if it's raining, not having the tarp attached to everything else means that you can pack everything else up and stay dry at the same time. So, since it's nice weather, untie our 2 half hitches. Pull this last stake. Each hammock uses 4 stakes, and all the stakes are the same. They just have different colored ties, so it doesn't matter which one gets what. Alright, so now what I'll do, lift the tarp in half. Turn it so that it is folded in half, hanging over the hammock with all the cords on the same side. This way, we're able to gather all the cords together. This, like this, and tie just a loose overhand knot like that to keep them together. And then same thing on the other side. Ridge line in half. Grab the other 2 lines, bring them together, in half, in half. Oops, I think I put them in half too many times. Loose overhand knot. Now they're all tidy. Lay the tarp down. Fold it in half. Fold it in half again. And now if you lay the bag on it, it should be about the same width as the bag. And you just roll it up. Tuck the cords in. with all camping gear, there's a fine line between rolling it up and just saying heck with it and squishing it in. This one I was really close to getting it rolled up, but it still took a little bit of squish. Part 1 packed. Now, undo the drawstring at one end of the bug net. Run it down. Undo the other end. Unclip the hammock. Careful not to pinch the bug net. Take the hammock off. Take the net off, rather. And make sure your zipper is closed. Cram it in the step sack. Cinch it nice and tight. Squish it down even more. Two parts done. Last one is the easiest. Unclip this. Unclip this. Take the carabiners and the knots. Stick them in, and stuff everything in on top of them. Run the snap through these if you want to have them all together. And now they're all hooked. Then you untie these. These knots will get very tight when you lay on it. You just grab on either side and you push, and they come right apart. Beauty of a square knot. There's one rope down. Again, grab, push. Now I just keep the ropes folded in half, line the centers up, let it hang, make a loose coil, take the tail end, wrap it around a couple of times, through, over, and down, and now it's a nice tight bundle of rope that you can throw around and stuff in the backpack and do whatever you want with it, and it won't get untied and tangled. I like to add that to the clump here, and there it is. Hammock done.